What's up, guys? I'm Karan, and you're watching Absolute Rudy. Guys, I have a quick question for you. What do you think about the blackout edition of a motorcycle? Your black riding gears, your black jackets, your black jeans, your black shoes, all your accessories which you use. I just love the blackout theme and I'm a big fan of it. Even my own ride and a Fat Bob that's totally blacked out with just a couple of chrome touches here and there, which I am soon gonna get rid of. I'm waiting to complete 100,000 kilometers and I would be doing a complete revamp of my machine. So, I'm just running shy of 4,000 kilometers, so watch out for that space. I think I won't take more than a couple of months to reach that milestone, and then we'll do a complete revamp of my Dyna Fat Bob. I have done a review of the BMW R18 as well. Now that's again a glossy black edition bike, taking you complete back into a nostalgia of the 70s. I can see, any accessory around me, be it my, the Osmo Action small rig cage. Now that's also black in color and it looks awesome. Whether it's my wireless microphone, which I'm currently using, the Comica wireless microphone, that's also black in color. Or be it my mobile phone, that's again an iPhone, which is, black in color. So be it any accessory, I just end up adding the black color only. That's what I like about it. Even all my riding jackets are black in color. My riding shoes are black in color. I have just one pair of shoes which is brown in color. That's quite close to my heart and I still have it. I bought it in 2009, so it's been 11 long years I have it. And those shoes are quite close because I did the Burn Burner Gold ride wearing them. They are still usable. I can still use them, and that's why I have it. But more often I use the black shoes. So is my ride, and all other accessories, be it my watch, the most often used watch, that's black color, be it the wristbands, are all, black in color. So I'm a big fan of the entire blackout theme and I keep on adding accessories as and when I find them. One of the other, items which I use on my helmet, in fact, even talking of the helmets, all my helmets are matte black in color. And one of the accessories which I use along with my helmet is the Cardo Pack Talk. Now, guys, that's the wireless communicating device which I use with my helmets, and I've been using it for last 2 years. No issues, no problems. In fact, most of my riding buddies also use the same wireless microphone device. I never had a need or requirement to upgrade to a PackTalk Bold or a newer version launched in the PackTalk series. This one has performed well. It's been more than 2 years. No need to upgrade, but now the big but is only the BUT but. The big but is that Cardo launched the blackout edition for the Cardo Pack Talk, and I wanted to get my hands onto it. It's a black edition. I just loved it, but it would make me short of $350. That's a big amount. So guys, here's the update for you. So this Cardo Pack Talk can become a Cardo Pack Talk Black Edition for free, and here's how. Just relax, guys. It's weekend. Bikers are not that boring. It's going to be Sunday, and it's going to be some fun. But yes, this is going to be free upgrade, and you can enjoy it. You can just love to do it if you want to, and I love doing it, and I've already done it. So I have converted my, Pack Talk into a free blackout edition, and here's a sneak peek of it. So guys, how did I did it? It's free. It was free of cost. All that I did was, I just went to my study. I just, searched through my pedestal and, or you may go to your kid's study with their permission and, just look out on the study table and you would definitely find, if not in your, study, at least in your kid's study room, or you could just, find it somewhere lying in your home. A permanent marker. That's it, guys. All that you need to do is, don't laugh at don't laugh out, guys. That's what I've done. $350. The black edition. What was there in this edition which made it black? This silver part that becomes black, and instead of having Pack Talk Scala Rider Pack Talk written over it, I believe it says Cardo over here, and that too in black color. All that I did was I spent some 5 minutes using a permanent marker, and I colored it. And once I've done it, that's the result, guys. That's your Pack Talk Black Edition. I hope you can see it if I bring it over here. It's a blackout edition for free, guys. Give me a high five. I just saved $350 of your, money, which you can probably add or use it to add another accessory to your bike. So that's really nice. I mean, it's a blacked out edition, and it's for free, and it's working. There you go, guys. It's a free upgrade, guys. I mean, that's so cool. You can upgrade your existing Pack Talk to the Black Talk, Black Edition for free. Cheers, guys. Have a great day. Have a nice day. Like I said, it's Sunday, so be relaxed, just chill. Bikers are not that boring, and we also have some fun. I just wanted to have that Black Edition. I'm sorry, Cardo. I would have loved to get the black one. I'll wait for some amazing upgrade, some amazing model, some new shape which comes out, and probably I'll definitely shell out $350. But not just for this silver stripe to be converted to black. I have done it myself, guys. Cardo, can one small advice to Cardo, can you please provide this as an accessory, a black one, and we can all buy it and convert our existing. I don't have to take the pains of coloring it to black, but guys, it took me just 5 minutes. Find a permanent marker, black color. In fact, you can make it red, green, whatever color you like. All that you need is a permanent marker. Just color it up. You can make it white, you can whatever you want. I mean, just use a permanent marker, make it the color of your choice. If you're riding a Kawasaki Ninja, green color, make it green. If you're riding a Yamaha blue, make it a blue. If you're riding the Harley Davidson bike, then just use a marker in which you have your bike color and just customize it to your requirements. And that's a pretty great suggestion for Cardo to start selling this as an accessory in multiple colors. Not all existing users of Cardo Pack Talk who are pretty happy and satisfied with the existing product would upgrade to a black edition, just to add that black color to their device. Until unless we see some amazing upgrade to that device which comes up with some new technology into it. So guys, have a nice weekend. Just relax, chill, have some fun. It's a free upgrade for your Cardo Pack Talk into Cardo Pack Talk Black, guys, within 5 minutes. Here you go, guys. Enjoy your weekend, guys. See you. And guys, before I leave, all the devices which I've spoken about, whether it's the small black color cage for my DJI Osmo Action camera, or whether it is the Comica wireless microphone, or whether it's the Cardo Pack Talk device which I've used for 2 years, or whether it's my own ride, which is the Dana Fat Bob, or the BMW R18. I've done a review of all of them, and I leave a description, I leave a link in the description. Please watch those videos. And if you're still with me, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps me in producing more informative and more interesting videos. This was a bit on a funny side, but I hope you like it. See you guys. Have a nice day.